Hello there, my name's Tracy Elsom and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in Canada, and welcome to my Papercraft with me YouTube channel. Today I have another very quick background idea for you. Last week I showed you how to do an ink swipe technique. This is one that I've done on a mini paper pumpkin box. Cute little box, and before I made it up I just ink swiped the whole thing, and in fact on this one I decided to do some little water spots, but you get this striped effect. Today I want to show you a slightly different take on a similar idea, and it's what I used to create this birthday gift tag. And you can see there's three colours there, and it's kind of got lines on it. It's a really simple technique to do, and I just wanted to show you very quickly how I did that, and you can use that for tags or make strips to go on cards and that kind of thing. So what I have here is just a piece of Whisper White card. It doesn't really matter what size it is, it's just a piece that I picked up to be able to show you the idea. So what I have here is my ink pad. Get that little piece of stuff off it, and I'm going to hold it at an angle, sort of like that, and then I'm just going to very quickly press it down onto the paper, get a different colour and do the same thing. And depending on how low you hold it, how flat you hold it, so imagine this is the paper, and depending on the angle that you hold it up on the paper gives you the different depths of these kind of angles. And as you go over some spots, they will get darker. So I started with Blushing Bride, and then I had Rococo Rose, that's Highland Heather, and then this is Gorgeous Grape. Now with Stampin' Up! Inks, they will lighten a bit when they're dry, but that really is all there is to it. And you can see, depending on how much you press and whether you keep it absolutely flat or whether you tilt it slightly, this is where you end up with these different variations. So again, very much like the ink swipe technique, this one gives you, you've kind of got an idea of how it's going to look, but every single time will be slightly different, just depending on how hard you press with the ink pad, whether you're holding it absolutely square or whether you tilt it slightly. All those kind of things make a difference. So let me remove that so you can see it. So that's another idea for you for creating a background. If you'd like to see more of this gift tag that I created, and with the instructions all in there for you, just visit my blog at www.papercraftwithme.com. I'll put a link to the particular blog post in the description below, and I'll also put a link to these 4 colours of ink that I used to create that. In the meantime, I hope you have a lovely day, and I do hope you'll join me again soon. Bye.